Hi, my name is Nicholas Yudorovich, and I'm the chair of the Multicultural Assembly here at Pleasant Grove. The Multicultural Assembly is this Friday during second period in the main gym. The purpose of the assembly is to showcase all the wonderful cultures here on Pleasant Grove's campus. To begin each performance, Savannah and I will be giving a brief introduction about what the clubs are performing. So please wait to applause until we are done doing our intros. Here are the clubs performing on Friday. We have the Ukulele Club, the PG Breakers, Hmong Club, the Vietnamese Student Association, the Gender Sexuality Alliance, K-Pop Dance Club, Southeast Asian, the Poly Club, Hakka, Indian Dance Club, the Muslim Student Association, the Filipino American Youth Association, the Latino Reaching Goals, Line Dance, the Black Student Union, Chinese American Student Association, the Punjabi Club, and of course, Soul Purpose Dance Club. So Pleasant Grove High School, remember, at the Multicultural Assembly, to be safe, be respectful, be responsible, and above all, be your best.